How to crop your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now first thing you have to do is you can upload a new video from here from your gallery, or just choose from your drafts like me. I already have this video, so I'm gonna choose this video. Now go down here, click on edit and swipe right until you find edit here again. Click on edit and click on crop. Now you will be able to crop your video as you want from here. Choose any part of the video that you want to keep, and you have many frames right here that you can choose between. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.